youngest son, Dwayne, and his family came down to Clearwater for a vacation. And in this video, Uncle Tom takes my grandson, Noah, out to give him some kayak fishing lessons.
Big redfish. I don't want a little one. I don't want a medium one. I want a big one.
Okay, me and my nephew Noah are about to go out and catch some big fish, right, Noah? We gonna catch them? All right, let's do it. We got Grandma over there. We got Mommy, Bobby Joe. Of course, the world famous Hank. And my brother and sister didn't want to wait for us, so they took off. So we got some catching up to do. Fish. What's he got? Oh, he's got a little pinfish. Stop reeling. Good job, buddy.
Yay.
All right. That's the first one. We're going to get more than that. With that pinfish, did it fight hard? Not that bad. It was good practice for the next fish you're going to catch though, right? Maybe a big red or a snook. A snook? Ooh, I don't know if you can handle a snook. Alright, we're going to get one for you. Tom and Noah are back. We just had a rain delay. Right when Noah was starting to catch all the fish. But we got back out here now. We're going to go get them. Okay, we just had a big hit on top water. We missed it. Hopefully he hits it again. Trying to get Noah hooked up here.
I don't think I'd get it. It just got caught.
You didn't get caught. You will hit twice sometimes. Good snook on. Keep your tip up. Keep your tip up. Keep your tip up. There you go. Reel it in, buddy. Reel it in. Keep your tip up. You got a good snook. All right, let him fight. Let him fight. Oh, good job. Wait, stop reeling. He's gonna run. He's gonna run. Just don't reel. Don't reel. Let him run.
Tell me what to.
Okay.
Now
Okay, no, let him run. Lift your tip up, Jess. Okay, he's not done. He's gonna keep fighting. He's pull drag. Nope, nope. Pull drag. Oh, he's gonna turn us around in the kayak. All right, go on the other side of me. There you go.
Tell me when to be up.
All right, keep your tip up. You got him? I'm gonna let go of the pole. It's all you.
Now reel.
No, you got it. Yep, reel. Hold the pole tight. Lift up your tip. Oh, he's jumping. He's jumping. Oh, he's coming right back at the kayak. All right, stop reeling. Hold the pole tight. Oh boy, taking Noah for a ride. He's got a nice snook. All right, hold it. Just hold him there. Keep your tip up. Fight him. I'm gonna take us out into the open water. Just hold him tight. All right. Are you strong? You got him? All right, I'm letting the pole go. Hold him. All right. Nope, nope, nope. Just hold him. You gotta tire him out. You get tired?
No, I'm trying to take it out. But...
All right, lift your tip up. He might be ready to come in. Lift your tip up. What a snook, Noah! Good job, buddy! Wow! Look at that! Here, give me the rod. You hold him up. He's gonna take two hands. You got him? Hang on, let me take the hook out. And he's gonna be heavy, okay? Lift him up, two hands. As high as you could. Higher! Yeah, buddy! Yeah! High five! Nice snook! Noah!
I can't wait to show Dad.
How was that? Was that fun? Let's go get another one, huh? All right. Let's see if he's ready. He'll let go of the fish grips when he's ready. You see how he's just holding on to them? Not even latched. They get really tired. You gotta make sure you revive them really good after a fight. You don't want these guys dying. These are our most prized fish down here in Tampa Bay.
Louis Snook.
Yep.
Is that redfish or snooks?
Redfish are fun too. Hopefully we get one of those too, alright? We'll get both.
Oh, wow.
Oh, no, I'm sorry. I'm leaving too much. I just don't want them to die. Oh, there we go. Come on, buddy. There he goes. Good job. Yes, sir. I went on top water. Keep reeling. Oh, he got off. Ah, that's all right. We'll get the next one.
You turned on the camera?
Yeah, because I just had one follow the lure. We'll throw it at him again and see what happens.
That's a fall one.
Oh, he missed it. You see him hit it?
No.
Oh, keep it up. Oh, there he goes.
Oh, wow.
There you go. Go, reel. Reel faster. Faster, faster, faster. There you go. Very good. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. He's the big one.
It's getting ready to actually kind of...
Keep your tip up. Oh, big trout. All right, stop reeling. Wow, nice trout, Noah. Okay, let's do this. Hold it. You got the pole?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a big one. All right, hold it just like that. Don't reel it.
I make a ground sand.
Hold the pole tight.
Make a ground sand today.
You like it a grand slam?
Yes.
All right, well, you got 2 out of 3 now. It's official.
I got 2 parts of the ground sand. Oh, wow, that's a
Nice
big
trout.
trout.
Look at the teeth they have. They usually have 2 of them. You see that?
It only has 1.
Yeah, that one only has 1. Some of them don't have any. Ah, you almost knocked over my beer. That would have been
Wouldn't that kill them?
Wow!
Doesn't that go through the skin?
Hold that.
Doesn't that like...
No, it doesn't hurt him. Hold it up higher. All right, buddy. All we need is a red and you got your grand slam. Let's go get a... We just had a big fish explode right here.
Is the cam on?
Yep. Wow, that was a big fish.
Did your camera catch that?
No, I didn't have it
Oh,
on.
it's right there.
No, that's a mullet. Let's try and throw something else at him.
I just saw it. It's right by that sign.
No, that's a mullet too. He's still in here. We can get it to hit it.
Just saw it's in.
Oh, he might not have hit it because of the grass. Come on.
That's a baby owl. It's a baby.
Yeah, he's only about a 3-footer. Is he still out there?
It's like somewhere over there. But
Oh, there he is right there. Let's
his
see.
feet is big. Like,
Oh, yeah, you'll have fun if you hit this guy.
I'm like 12 foot and like 4 inches.
He's probably going to break us off. If he does hit.
Stop, do you want a top on it?
That's probably better he doesn't because we'll just... The suspension lure this time. We're hoping it's a red. Out here. Whoa, whoa. Stop reeling, stop reeling. Oh, he's heavy. He's pretty heavy. Hold it tight. Oh, he might be a red.
Do it.
Reel. All right, hold it tight. I'm letting go. It's all you.
I need help.
I'm gonna turn. No, hold it. You gotta wear him out. Hold it. You gotta be strong.
Is that a red?
Oh, it's a jet. Oh, it's a big trout. Oh my gosh, that's a beauty. Holy cow. Wear him out. Wear him out. Wow, buddy. We're taking that one home and eating them.
I don't like fish that much, bro.
Oh, you don't like fish? Okay. All right, let him go. Just hold the rod. Very good.
I'm like the only one who probably caught like fish today.
That's a big trout.
Leah?
Wow, that's a beauty, buddy. Come here, you. Oh, no. Oh, he's barely hooked.
Oh, I wish that was a red though.
We got time. We got time.
I want
You just made your slam a little bigger if you do get a red. That's a nice trout. Give me the rod. Holy cow, Noah. That's a... You want to measure him? You want to see how big he is? Oh, you got to hold him. Hold him in the water, though.
How could you
Just hold it. Just hold that. Okay, let me make some life back in him. I don't want him to die. We're going to keep him. We're going to keep him.
It only has
He's a beauty. I love trout. Let's see how big he is. Hold that guy up in the air. Hold it tight. Don't let go. Ready? 20. He's bigger than 20. Let's see. Nope, 20-inch trout. Holy cow. Hold it up. Grab with 2 hands and hold it up. Like this. Turn your hands. Let go. Let go. Let go with this one. Right there. Hold it up over your head. Nice fish, Noah. Awesome. Oh, we got a big school of mullet in front of us. We're going to try to get a red on top water here.
Did you turn on your camera?
We told the family we'd be back, but there's too many fish.
Did you turn on the camera?
We are rolling live action. Come on. Look at this. Look at this school of mullet. There's got to be a red in here.
I saw a bait fish, I'm pretty sure. That was like a whole school. It's about 50.
They're way out there. It's
No,
huge.
that was like 30.
If you like kayak fishing, camping, and road trips, you might want to check out our channel, where our goal is to release a new video every Friday.
Grabbed it. Yep, here we go. Hang on, I don't know what we got. Oh, big tarpon! Big tarpon! Big tarpon!